Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a hotel or apartment to your favorites and save it for later on the Vrbo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device or the app on your device, and then you should tap on the home button, select your destination, then your check-in and check-out date, select the number of guests, and after selecting your apartment that you would like to save for later, tap on it, and at the top you can see this heart icon in the upper right corner of the screen. So you can save this property and tap on the save button down below, and here you can see it's saved. So as you go back to the previous page or to your home page and tap on this heart icon down below, you can see your trip board section here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.